Star with Sparkle Designs by Star. I just want to come on here and share with you my bargain bead box for the month of December. It looks like it's been run over or something, so I hope none of my beads are messed up, but we will see. So here is our bag. I haven't opened it. I just opened the top, so this is what it looks like. This month it is called Winter Wonderland. Let me zoom you out a little bit. And it says Chili Blue and Icy Crystal combined for an elegant winter collection. Genuine quartz is our centerpiece with rough natural points reminiscent of icicles and a strand of pale ice blue graduated rounds. Other highlights include sparkling cut glass snowflakes, snowy halite, and wintry crystal accents. Antique silver findings add the final touch. Beadbox Bargains is the sister site to Bargain Bead Box. This is Bargain Bead Box, and so they have a sister site. And if you subscribe to the Bargain Bead Box, each month you will get a 30% off coupon to use the entire month as many times as you want to. So we are going to jump right in. It looks like we have 20 items and the retail value is $65. So let's see what we have going on. Okay. Let me get organized real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, our first item is 4-piece strand, or 4 pieces of 25 by 22 millimeter Snowflake Links. And these are lead free and cadmium free. I'm going to scoot you down so I don't have to hold it up so far. And there's that. Okay, you get 4 of those. You can do all kinds of things. You can use these as links for necklaces or bracelets, or you can glue crystals onto there. You can use them for tons of different things. Okay, there's that. Number 2 is 1 meter of 6.5 by 2.5 millimeter steel Lumina China. I don't know. Jewelry chain. And this is nickel free. I don't think we've ever received anything like this in our bargain bead box. And I know I don't have any chain like this. It's kind of flat. But then it has this design on it. It's real cool. Okay, we have that. Number 3 is a 48 millimeter cutout round winter focal. Lead free and cadmium free. And here's what it looks like. Again, you could glue crystals in there. You could bead weave around this or hang stuff from it. Possibilities are endless with that one. Number 4 is a 7-inch strand, 6 millimeter natural quartz crystal round beads. Actually, you know what? I'm going to do that. I'm gonna throw the little baggie away, but I'm not. And these are just crystal clear. You can see through them. So pretty. Very pretty. That's number 4. Number 5 is 40-piece lacy 6-petal bead caps, lead free, nickel free, and cadmium free. And I'm not going to get the whole bunch out, but that's what they look like. Whoops, I dropped it. Okay, that's exactly why I didn't get them all out. Okay, we'll put those there. Number 6, that was number 5. This is number 6, is our 10-piece strand, 10 millimeter matte natural halite round beads. I love the detail in these beads. So pretty. Got different colors going on, and they're matte. It does remind you of the snow. So we have that. Number 7 is a 10-gram bag of 8.5 by 9.5 millimeter Snowflake Beads. Lead-free, nickel-free, and cadmium-free. And if I'm not mistaken, we got these last year for Christmas. Or December's box. Or January, something like that. Okay. There's that. Number 8 is 7-inch strand 4 by 3 millimeter crystal Rondelle Beads matte ice blue. These are real pretty. I just wish these beads right here were a little bit bigger because they are real tiny. So, but I like them. Number 9 is 18 millimeter cut glass crystal snowflake pendant, Bermuda blue. This is very pretty. I love this color. So gorgeous. If they get some more of these, I will be purchasing some more of those. I would like to use those as earrings instead of the, but they're using it as a pendant. Here are the earrings. Or here's the matching set for earrings. And they're tiny. These are 14 millimeter cut glass crystal snowflake pendant, Bermuda blue. I just love this color. It's so pretty. So pretty. So snow-esque. Number 11 is 2-piece 17 by 23 millimeter snowflake cut out chandeliers. There's those. Number 12 is 3-piece electroplated natural rough quartz points. Size and shape will vary. They're very pretty. Perfect for a little necklace out there. Okay. Number 13 is approximately 15-inch strand 4 millimeter crystal Bicone beads in metallic blue iris. And I almost bought some of these. I'm glad I didn't, because we get them in the box this month. Okay, there's that. 14 is a 16-inch strand 6 by 4 millimeter crystal Rondelle Beads, steel blue metallic iris. I almost bought some of these as well. These are my favorite, I think. These and the white halide. They're so pretty. Absolutely love sparkles. Anything sparkly. 15 is a 5-piece 12 millimeter half matte crystal coin beads, pale steel blue shimmer. Very pretty. They look like they have a snowflake on there, which is fitting for our theme this month. So there's that. Number 16 is a 20-piece 6 millimeter crystal coin beads, slate blue green iris. And you can see it has the matte and the sparkle together. It's just gorgeous. Okay. Put that right there. Number 17, and I'm not going to open this, is a 10-gram bag of 5 by 2 millimeter smooth Rondelle spacer beads. And these are lead-free, nickel-free, and cadmium-free. Number 18 is 2 pieces of 38 by 9 millimeter Swirl Links. And these are lead-free. That almost looks like an L right there. So you could use it as a link for a bracelet or a necklace and hang things from it. Or you could use it this way on a necklace. Or you could use it this way even and hang stuff. Or this way. Different things you could do with this one. It's very neat. I don't think we've ever got anything like this before since I've been subscribed. So it's very neat. And then number 19 is 2 sets 20.5 millimeter brass swirl toggle clasp, silver finish. And here's what they look like. Okay. Have that. And Last is approximately 17-inch strands, 16 to 14 millimeter. Ice blue quartz dyed graduated rounds. So you start out with these little beads and it goes up. You can see it goes up to this size. Then you have this size right here, this one, and then this is the big one. So it's almost a necklace. You can make a necklace just like that if you wanted to. Those are very pretty as well. Okay, that is our bargain bead box for the month of December. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. I'd love to have you as a member of my YouTube family. And I hope y'all have a blessed, fabulous day. Remember, don't let anyone dull your sparkle. And I will see y'all next time. Bye, y'all.